Hello, people. We are doing the
2016-17 Panini Prizm basketball.
Panini Prizm.
These are brand new, still not even in the Becky
I'm
yet.
gonna open this pack, this box, and he's opening that box.
Yeah, so here, I got this started for you.
Okay.
Because I got long, girly fingernails.
What is wrong with you? Are there bonus packs in this?
Nope.
Okay.
These are just normal little. There's 6 packs in each box, 4 cards in each pack.
So we're beef. I said we're beef.
We're beef.
We're both going to open 6.
Yeah, so we're gonna look for some good stuff. Jeremy Lab, no. Anthony Davis might be worth $1. Vince Carter, not bad.
Let's look for Carl Anthony Towns.
Carl Anthony Towns. Or, there's actually a bunch of them that are worth money. Ben Simmons.
Carl Anthony Towns. Oh, I got a something.
Some rookie.
Yeah, rookies. Put the rookies
Malcolm
in this pile.
Brogdon.
Put the rookies in this pile.
Okay. Josh Richardson, DeMarcus Cousins, Chris Dunn.
Nothing.
I think Chris Dunn's doing good right now.
Let's do the bad ones right here. Bad ones right here. Not the rookies right here. The rookies right here, not the rookies right there.
It's like a prismy.
Nothing. Nothing. And try and guess 2 things that are different. One of them is with both of us, and one is with me. It's something right here.
Ooh, I think I got a jersey.
You did?
Yeah, but it's somebody dumb. Dragon Bender, rookie card. He's probably worth nothing, but he's a rookie. Steven Zimmerman, rookie patch. Not really a cool one. It's not even numbered, so whatever, dude. Mo Williams, Jordan Clarkson. What do you... Don't do that. That's good enough? That's good? That's good? And then you take them out. Cameron Payne.
I got a guy that's holding out his jersey. Is this a good one, though? What is it, a good one?
Diamond Stone.
Is this one a good, though?
No, it's normal.
But it looks cool.
Jeff Green.
But it looks cool.
Yeah,
No,
that's normal.
This goes here. It's a rookie.
Damian Lillard, first step.
And is this a cool
No.
one?
Yeah, that's a cool one, but it's different.
Yeah, he cares. That's a good one, so I'll show it. I got a rookie, Marshall Plumlee.
Dang, I've already done 3. Marshall Plumlee. Hey, you got a green rookie. Don't know who that is, but
Me neither.
it's worth money. Chuck Yellow. Giannis Actempo. He's worth like $1. Nothing. Gary Harris. Man, this has been a terrible box so far. I only got 1 left. You got 3. Hopefully yours are better than mine.
Oh, remember the time that we got that Carl Anthony Towns, the first pack? And the first card? Like
this is one terrible box. I got nothing.
What the heck is that?
Oops. Timer going off. Karis LeVert, rookie. Gary Payton,
Bad one.
rookie.
Not a rookie. First step rookie.
It's not a rookie, but it's Steph Curry.
Stephen Curry. That's what they call him, Stephen Curry.
Stephen Curry. This is a pretty good one.
But people call him Steph Curry.
Yeah.
I got
No number cards.
I got a double one with the coach in it.
Alright, there's 2 left. I'm opening one.
Dimar DeRigoan. It has the coach in it. Do you see the coach? There.
Alright, we gotta get something that's
There,
numbered.
do you see the coach? I'll put that there. See those guys.
Jerome Prince. Rookie. Oops.
What the heck is that smell?
Malachi.
Do you smell that?
Rookie.
Do you smell that?
Yeah.
What is it?
Sky's the limit. All these weird dumb inserts.
Jimmy Butler.
Yeah.
Nothing. Steph Curry.
Seth Curry. He's trying to be like Steph Curry.
I think it's a guy, but he's part of Steph Curry's family.